Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to see and download viewing history on Netflix. So if you want to see what you've already watched in your account on Netflix, I'm going to show you how. So you need to open the Netflix on a web browser. As you can see here, I've already opened it, and then you just need to go to your account page. And then go to the profile and parental controls and click on the arrow here, and you can see the viewing activity right here, and just click on view. As you can see, this is my viewing history like this. And you can just click on show more to show whole history, but it only shown until if I'm not mistaken 1 year only. And if you want to download this list into a spreadsheet, just click on download all at the bottom of the page, and then the downloaded file can be opened using any spreadsheet software that supports the CSV file format. As you can see, the Netflix viewing history has been downloaded. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can see and download viewing history on Netflix. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe our channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.